is Keshav and I am from third semester GM University, and I am presenting on the topic Windows OS and Kali Linux using the virtual machine. The introduction to operating systems, the digital architects. An operating system OS serves as the foundation software layer that architects the intricate dance between a computer's hardware and the software components. It's the silent conductor managing resources, scheduling tasks, and providing a stable environment for applications to run. Essentially, the OS acts as an indispensable interface, translating user commands into actions the hardware can understand and execute. Without it, interacting with the computer would be complex and initiative endeavor. So, this slide explains what an operating system is and why it is important. And OS acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware, and it manages the resources like CPU, memory, storage, and the processors. Without OS, users cannot interact easily with hardware. So this let's introduce Windows OS and Linux as two different types of operating systems. Windows OS systems, the ubiquitous workhorse. So it is developed by Microsoft. Windows OS has long been a dominant force in personal computing. Its widespread adoption is largely due to its initiative graphical user interface, which makes it accessible to user of all technical provinces. So Windows excels a versatile platform widely deployed for the personal computing, office work, and gaming. So it focuses on Windows OS, which is developed by the Microsoft. It's user-friendly graphical interface, making it suitable for everyone, like the beginners most widely, and it's used for personal computing, office applications, and gaming, etc. Windows supports a large number of applications and hardware, which makes it most popular desktop OS. Then we have the Kali Linux, the cybersecurity specialist. It's developed by the Offensive Security. Kali Linux stands out as a highly specialized Debian-based Linux distribution. It is meticulously crafted for professionals in the field of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Kali Linux is the go-to operating system for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and the network security analysis. So it comes with many pre-installed security tools, unlike Windows. So this OS is mostly used by security professionals and students learning cybersecurity. Next slide, we have the power of virtual machines bridging operating systems. So, the virtual machine VM represents a powerful abstraction layer enabling the execution of one operating system within the another. So, this technology creates a separate, like a virtualized hardware environment, allowing guest OS to run as it were on the separate physical machine. So, it explains how an VM allows operating system to run inside another operating system. So here Windows is the host OS and the Kali Linux is the guest OS. So VM software like VirtualBox or VMware creates a virtual hardware environment. So this helps in running multiple OS without installing them directly in the hardware. Next we have the seamless Kali Linux installation via VM, which is the virtual machine. So installing Kali Linux as a guest OS on a Windows host using a virtual machine offers a streamlined and risk-free approach to running multiple operating systems. This method eliminates complexities and the potential data loss associated with the dual booting. This approach provides the flexibility to run Kali Linux without altering the host Windows environment in any way. So we have the processes. So first we install the VM software, create a new virtual machine, allocate resources, load Kali Linux ISO. It's a file which we have to first download it. Then we complete the installation. Next slide, we have the advantages of using virtual machines. So in simple, it highlights benefits of using the virtual machines. So VMs provide a safe testing environments. Any error in the Kali Linux does not affect the Windows system, so the users can easily switch between operating systems. So multiple OS can run on the same computer, making VMs ideal for students and developers. So In last, I say that Windows OS is most suitable for general purpose computing, while Kali Linux is designed for cybersecurity tasks. And using virtual machine, it allows both OS to be to work together efficiently. The VM based approach is flexible, secure, and ideal for academic learning and practical exposure. It concludes the virtualization is a powerful tool for mastering operating systems. Thank you.